Inflewence here. Welcome. Thank you for joining me today. I have Collector Crafts Tetra Jets. Now these are 3D printed jets. They come with a lot and they're pretty nice jets. I really like them. Now I have zero experience with 3D printed things, so somebody that's more versed, they may see some imperfections more, or they may see something that they don't like, or I don't know. I'm not here for that. I'm not going to critique these as harshly as I would say something I bought from a retailer or somebody that mass produced. This is one guy from my understanding, and I'll leave a link in the description for his page because he's doing a bunch of stuff and he can do a bunch of stuff. I think he takes commissions if he has time. I'm not sure, but you can ask him. But he was really easy to work with. Let me know that it was snowing, so he wasn't going to be able to ship them right away. They still got here today, so I'm happy. I didn't think they were going to get here this soon because I knew we were in the same boat. We had massive snow, almost 2 feet, so I understood. I understood totally. It was cool that he let me know that he wasn't going to be able to ship it out right away. But yeah, they're great. Personally, I ran into a couple problems, but it was because of me. So I will share those issues that I have that were because of me. Maybe somebody that gets this will have the same issues because they're stupid. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, I felt stupid after I figured it out because I'm like, oh, that's what this was for. So, but like I was saying, I'm not going to be as critical, but I will point out some stuff just so you know. That's not me being critical. Like if I see some things, I just point it out. I'm still happy with my purchase. I think it's really nice. And I have 3 of the main Tetra Jets. I think he's doing all of them, like all the jets. There's a whole bunch of them, Sandstorm or Sunstorm. Wait, what's his name? Yeah. Sunstorm, Acid Rain, Acid Watch. Nah, I don't know all of them, but, let's just get into this review.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views, influences interest on YouTube.
So yeah, where do I begin? So these guys, let me move them a little bit. Really nice. So they come packed pretty well. You can see the stands. They have stands. They all have stands. They have these guns right here that they do come out. I mean, they go in, they come out. I think they come out. Yeah, they're really tight. They're actually, what I love is he made them conform to this space. So they just don't look like a piece of gun just sticking out. It looks like it's part of the actual figure. So both sides, you get those. You get these blast effects here that you can take off if you want. They're really nice. Here they are. Now, as a caveat, I know I said in the beginning, these are 3D printed. So there are some of the shred, the nylon or whatever is used, like sticking off. Personally, it doesn't bother me. I just go around and get it off. I don't know if that's like After Effects or whatever, because it's painted really well. Like I said, these are 3D printed. You can see some of the 3D print lines, but they're not bad at all. I'm just mentioning it in case, I don't know, maybe it bothers somebody more than it does me. It doesn't bother me at all. The paint here is really nice, applied well. All the paint is applied well. The silver up here. Right here, the yellow of the windshield, the red, it's all applied pretty great. The bottom even. Now the bottom, you can see more of the lines. I'm not sure why that is. It doesn't bother me. I'm just mentioning it. Then you have this. This is the part in the beginning I was talking about. There's an adapter in there. It's in there. It's not like I couldn't see it. It goes on the stand. And then these 2 pieces go into the bottom here. Now, I was trying to put just this post that goes into this part into here. it wasn't fitting. So at first I was like, oh man, I might have to sand it. Glad I didn't sand it, because then I looked in the other bag and was like, oh yeah, that's what that's for. My members know, because they saw the unboxing. Here's the stands. They all three look the same. The only critique maybe I would have, and not saying I knew what it was, like, I don't want to say like he changed anything, or he didn't. I saw it, I knew what it was, I loved it, I wanted it, I bought it. But maybe have different stands, like not even different shape, maybe have a different color. I don't know. I like the black and with the purple symbol. I like it. But I'm just saying. So then you have Starscream here. Same thing. Everything's the paint, everything is great. You got the paint here, like the, I guess, extra thrusters. I don't know what that is, but you got the symbol and the nose cone, the paint here. Like I said, there's a little bit of like stuff that comes off, but I just think that's part of the process. Subscribe, because you can just rip it off and it's fine. It could be from the bag too, the box that it was in. Same thing. Yellow, and yellow is a hard color to do, and all three of them look great. This blue though, this blue really, man, Thundercracker is looking, or not, wait, Skywarp. Yeah, Thundercracker. What am I talking about? Thundercracker is looking like, the blue is nice. I really like the blue. It took me back when I took it out the package, because it's just a great color. I always thought Starscream was bland, personally. But yeah, the other thing that I would mention is these are 3D printed. Everything's 3D printed. So I don't know how strong these teeth are. You may not want to keep moving them. You may want to get them into a position that you like them in, and then keep it that way. That's what I'm going to do, because I don't know how many times it can take. It could be strong. Like, who knows? But yeah, here's the back. And again, you can take these off if you need to. They are like in there. But I like them. They're like color shift, and the way they look. I just like the way everything looks on this. I wish they would make I wish they would make well, I'm good now. I don't need any more jets. I don't need Tetra Jets. Like, I got the Tetra Jets. I really would like a company to make some that transform, that look great in both modes, but it doesn't matter to me now, because I have these, and I really feel that way. I think these are great buy. They are a little expensive, but I understand why. 3D printed stuff is expensive. Takes a lot of time, takes a lot of, money for the person, to the electric, the plastic. I know it's not as much as what they're going to charge, but they're charging for their time, and they're making it as is, like as ordered. He may have a lot now, because he may have a lot of orders, but I'll leave I think that's it for this review, because it's I don't have no transformations or anything. I guess if you want to see how big they are, here's Masterpiece side swipe. So they're not small by any means. I think they're a good size. I don't have Ag. I had Starscream. I just put him back over on my shelf. Yeah, like I was saying, I think these are great. I think they're enough for me. I have kind of a Cybertronian shelf. Well, I'm trying to make a Cybertronian shelf. I don't have one yet, because I don't have a shelf, but I'll see what I do with this. I just got a couple new shelves I got to put together, so we're going to see where that's going to go. All right, so thanks for watching this review, quick review, and I'll get up with you in the next one. Peace.
Life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want it.